Hey YouTube, RUB3945 here. Today I've got a package from eBay. I didn't actually buy this. There's actually a story to this. You might remember about a month ago or something, the package I got from eBay containing the 3 loose figures and the ladder. There was a problem with all 3 figures. With the Undertaker, I ordered an Elite, and I got a basic. The basic figure's fine though, but the Nikki Bella was extremely loose, and the John Cena, I think one leg was shorter than the other one. I'm not exactly sure, but I've sold it already. So these are replacements of those 3 figures. They're not the exact same, but the seller let me choose 3 other ones. So yeah, now I'm gonna open it. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Okay, the first figure I got Basic Series 50 Adam Rose. I don't really need this, but I got to choose 3 other free figures, so I thought I'd choose this one. This is a pretty good figure, I'd say. The head sculpt kinda looks like him. Not exactly though. So yeah, see if I can stand him up. Okay. Second figure I got is Battle Packs 23, I think. It's, Cody Rhodes. I think this might be the one that came with Sin Cara. Yeah, I've no need for this figure again, but it's free, so I chose this. I might remove the mustache off because I think from the photo the mustache was kind of rubbing off, and might not be able to see there, but it kind of is. And there's a bit of hair missing from the top. I didn't see that in the photo, but I don't mind because it's free. Still a great figure. Okay, last figure I got. I've actually wanted this ever since it came out. I've always wanted an Elite version of the Superstar. It's the Toys R Us exclusive CM Punk. This is awesome. I'm going to chuck a custom shirt on him, and I think I have a spare white elbow pad somewhere. So yeah, I'll chuck that on him. Yeah, this is a great figure. I'm glad to finally have an Elite CM Punk. I only have a basic CM Punk right now, and that doesn't have any of the colour in the tattoos. But now, finally, with having an Elite CM Punk right in front of me, I can see the good details and everything put into this. I love this. So yeah, these are my 3 new figures. So thank you for watching, and subscribe.